This is your new Monza Deluxe espresso machine by Quick Mill. Making coffee is really easy. For a shot of espresso, just press this button. For this button here, for coffee or an Americano, you press this button. And to steam milk, you press this button, and that will activate the steam wand. The other buttons you don't need for making drinks, and they won't do anything. So let's start out by making an espresso. So here you go, here's an espresso with a nice amount of crema on it. Next we'll pause and we'll get ready for a milk drink.